Me jitum se woni mpefe se ye ngo bra ye nyinsan. Nti ye ne ubedi ne se ne mmra no eti pepepe.
Nana, me pacho. Se ka se yetwe na so. E wonyinsan wanyinsan no ho dia no koni ni ayemfo so kakra. Oni pe ono na ti wi. Wontu kwan. Ye musa no 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 anka senkyere. Ba bi odi nyinsan no. E di fidi bae.
Sebe. Ye ni adagwe e di tietia na nsesem. Abofre ni onyim anaso onyim. Enne ne emra kwan asisi aye gina so.
Nana ne pelefo. Ko yina nan kasa no ompemi ba yasem. Sebi abofre woti onyemu. Adeti ne yetbi musa no no nan kasa nkyirikyirimu ne yehu ba bi kura odi nyinsen no edi firi bae. Nimfom so no.
Nana. Se opanyi sebe ose ne ba kwadu wo bibi ka. Misra wada me man kwa mo nkasa. Kwadu. Kawasem.
Nana ne mpanyimfo. Mepa mo cho oto me mona.
Mona. Why?
Poku. Mami abrefi bei.
Wujitum. Wo wadanse.
Dasini di obi pa. Obi papa.
We die ensuo ni, saponi, semna ni, dwame ehwe. Produce your evidence.
Nana, me bay onti fa semum fen to be me bi so. A woni dansini. Eni. Kufo hwe. Hwe. So obo a hwe.
Oda Roma. Em se sebe woni bay wo mu di ehwo agro. Opoku ye nipa bi a obu ade. Odi mra so. Ne ho so dwo. Ontimi tumo na da
Kufo. Eja se na pese okan.
Nana Oda Roma dem pesem chene se. Enye poku na ni akoda enyim. Minim ni ono nenyim. Dapa. Penyi ko ni mo ba no. Ono one nenyim. Ndebe ye ya me friend mra.
Nana chame. Kan Fred Dapa bra sesi a.
Dapa, senam na shia no be kan nan entam ne abosom. Se aso be kan todo na be kan no. Untwan kontom wi a, utwan kontom a wani masodi a e ba so.
Se wa kan no kura so a. Be kwa ko frɛ konfo no aba. Na obi hwehwe mu amaye. Ko pese bi hunu mu no ko.
Nana, I'll speak the truth. I don't want to swear. I'm responsible for the pregnancy.
Oh, you are sebe. Ene da hon. U kontompo no namra basema no oba na die no.
Open your home.
Oh, good day, my daughter. What can I do for you?
Open, I'm looking for Mommy Adoma.
Adoma. Adoma. Yeah, Adoma. She was here a few moments ago. Can I take any message for her?
No, I'll come back when the sun goes down.
All right. When do you come back? Now, what were you doing at that time of the night yesterday? Was the part the man with you?
I was alone.
Don't lie. I saw you and a man, and it was the part.
If you saw him, why do you ask me? In any case, who made you watchman over us?
Oh, Kwandu, I thought I could advise you as my own daughter.
Advice? If you have any advice, give it to your nephew, Jodu. I don't need your advice.
Modern Tiasian and I'm modern Babangabania, whatever, Tiasian Chewo. Modern Tiasian and I'm modern Babangabini, whatever, Tiasian Chewo. Modern Tiasian and I'm modern Babangabini, whatever, Tiasian Chewo. Eh, whatever, Tiasian Chewo.
Fakuma, we have to change this location.
Why are you afraid? I'm a princess.
You can do anything to get away with this, but I have to be careful.
Majo. Mechiao.
Mejo also.
Standing in the dark.
Opoku, don't be a coward. Nothing will happen.
Afrakuma, I'm afraid. What we are doing is abominable.
If you are afraid, we can find a new place.
My daughter,
Yes, Papa.
you are now a woman initiated by the rights of this village. I thank the gods that you did not put my name to shame. Remember what your mother taught you. Remember to please your husband always.
Yes, Papa.
May the guardian lights of the gods be upon your way.
Thank you, Papa.
Ago. Opening my home.
Open the ofia. Open the ofia.
Opening, I'm looking for cool.
Kawadetum ni koko. Ko yo obusuani. Ko musuonu o yo obusuani. Sa na ofa kwa sampani no. Osifon man kwa sasam no oka. Say me de hye no e na se wo. Ye betu asew. Ye betu asew. Ye ne hwan e betu asew. Nesu. Adawudi mo be sifia biem. Wo kwa do be fa so. Nonsense. Wa bodam papa. Ko musuo. Woni ne he. Woda ho gina ho. Ujira kwede. Esuo to ena wante a. Aha, ede chi ye, e fom fo ye. Wahu. Fiar mo kwa. Kanipa na wagun kase. Nonsense. Wati kopo.
What is it? What is it?
Wafa, why won't you let people have their peace?
What's your problem?
What did you tell Openyi Sebe about Komusu? Everybody is talking about how you put your nose into their business.
How dare you talk to me like this? How dare you?
I will dare, Wafa. I'm tired of you.
Ajadu, I say come back!
Opoku.
Afrakuma, don't you feel we can get into trouble?
Opoku, I have told you not to worry about our relationship.
For how long can we keep our relationship quiet?
I have royal protection. Nobody can do anything.
You are talking about yourself. I'm talking about my life.
My royal protection extends to you. My father will not do anything stupid to hurt me in the name of tradition.
Your father? I don't trust him.
Don't forget I'm his only daughter. I know he will not do anything to hurt me.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, Kufa.
Oh,
Yeah, share.
Onia, we dey emo me ko mo wire mu no, na bi ba ko sem de bre wo yi.
Aka nche mu.
Ni nyina wo.
Wo de chame.
Me de che wo.
Oh, Kufo nyame shira.
Kwa bi nom.
Nyame shira. Hwe ni muduro. Ye Kufo. Wo de ya wo sasu ni pa me ni se o kuro mu ha. Ka ye nshira. Yo Kufo ne na me no bedi mpapa mu ha. Numene. Enu to mu ameba. Na ama behu.
Yo baba beto me.
Yo. Siama, bra. Unu ya no ne hu ni mfa so no wo yi.
Papa, be na nsani, ofiri fia no pa tutututututu. Obebe fia je sa anajo. A obepe bibi adi.
So hu ne na dwen tie. Enya wadwen so no na dwen. Wate. Kopim so wo fa. Wayi ne gidie nyina afi sa abafra no mu. Osisi a wo ne ba akofo a waka. A wo fa ne gidie nyina ahwo mu. Nti bo bra yi, wate de be ka cho no. Yo. Buyade wate. Di mpanifo ni, why?
Papa me da ase.
Yo. Ya bu mpanifo why?
Yo.
Dapa. Hey, asokolofo. Hey, Kredu, siano. Oh, asokolofo. Akwaba.
Open Sibe, I would like to leave.
So soon?
I just want to go back to the farm for more foodstuffs.
Yo, Miss Ombre, no more qua. Nothing crack, I'm out for. Some chill.
Yo, Papa.
Oh, and you why? And you, Jabibia Manka, why? Hey, Kredu, Quajara quite. Yeah. It was this there. Was this there?
Hey, Adadu, come back. Take this animal and sing it.
You will not take the food to that useless boy.
You are joking. You can never prevent me from cooking for him.
Hey. Come, monsieur, Kraya, come, monsieur. Wabia, come, monsieur. And the hey, my way.
She has gone to the riverside.
Wait, I somehow.
Papa, Konedu has prepared food, and when I asked for mine, she said she's taking the food to the pa.
To the pa. One more crab, she first and send Didi. One more crab, first and send Didi.
Papa, are you selling your respect for these foodstuffs that Pa brings to you?
Oh, just has some Akashamiano. So for so to say. I can some and some who and I didn't chrome hanmo. Yenimu. Once and Papa near Chroma.
They say like father, like son.
Like a cocoa, like Kosia. What but Papa? About yourself, here what I do what jetty, who felt blow more penny beer. Minaka San the chairman. Minaka San the chairman. Mate.
What's the matter?
I don't want you to come close to my sister again.
Why?
If you dare, that will be your end.
This is just the beginning. Try us and see.
Look, there is nothing wrong with me. I just can't understand why you encourage Konedu to continue to have relationship with Dapa. People are talking about it. It's all over the village. What you are doing is wrong. It's against the law of this village. Hey, Sebe. Enti nya ya keka fa wo ekwe ase na wo se wonte. Wa so sisi anasa wani efra. Nya ya keka fa wo ekwe ase nya wo se wonte. Wonte.
Me hwe na abo. Me hwe na abo.
Asiama, I have removed Ejedu's name from becoming the next of kin. I have nobody in mind apart from you. So the Lord rests on you.
Ofa, I'm honored.
I'll make it known at our next family meeting.
Thank you very much, Ofa, for having such confidence in me. I promise I will not disappoint you.
Ejedu has been a disgrace to the family. I don't know what to tell him again.
Aja, that woman, what man, your uncle's wife is a witch. If you want to become the continuing of such a crime, you must kill your uncle. When will he die for you to achieve your aim of getting Afrakuma? You are right, Ko. We must put a correct plan into action and finish that man and his wife once and for all. I'm beginning to feel his wife is manipulating him. I can't even understand his behavior nowadays. Yeah, the short man is coming, the short man. Ajadu! Adana Musre. That's nice of you. When will you grow tall? Ajadu!
Ago. Go Sebe.
Hey, Ejedu.
Oh. Now what is it?
Me hunye. Adwendwen ahye me ma. Me da me na. Oh. Nyame ame ba ko musuo kuro yei. Da biala de be chi biala. Ai se ye de ne ho asem. E be betu manim. E na ko musuo afedi sese wa ya na ne din ene ne honam akwakose. Transe. Yo, hadi
abonia asem ni asem hia. Na omba no anti na menam.
Oma ede.
Sese me hu se wo ba ma no. Ekwane a woni dapa enam so no enye. Na oba komu so no de ene minim de abale tirimu kra.
Kufo, mame muso asem. Se me ba ene ko ni mo ba. E obibi ya e kan adwedwen ho. E kan wadwendwen ho. Wo de esumye ena anda so. Ana de edua ena wowe. Ana woni wu fi asem. Wunyi na etia onyase. Ansa na wayi obi de. So he na sem fon so afa ne ho asem fakoto defo anim. Ne enfre no no mra me yina no. Me ni asem bia ka kirewo.
Na wa wonim se de oba no yo no. Oba ba no de wo yo no. E kwa na wonam so no. Etia o manyi mra.
Me de minim, wona anim. So na anim a ko na fa ne ho asem fakoto defo anim. Fi han mo kokokoko. Fi mi so ha ko fi akọ. Fi han mo ko na mani so tuteme. Wonyo ho ne esi wani su na tu.
Me mfiri hango.
Fi akọ. Fi han mo ko. Fi akọ.
Jije mu no aka samba jije mu yo. Vivemo no account, vivemo, yame, Asanka Seba, a monkaye, Asamba, vivemo yo. Vivemo no account, Samba, vivemo.
Manu.
What is it?
It will be fear what fear. What was son wasn't?
Ask her, is she not your daughter too?
On him.
For your information, she is 2 months pregnant. So be ready to face the consequences.
Dabi, Kredu, Minini, on him.
What did you expect? When you were receiving all those gifts. Excuse me.
What did I make us run? Say, come soon on your bottom for, and we'll see our penny will do at them. What about them?
My men can make a child in Chilo once. No, I can ask me at him.
Mamma, can you have a catch them? Come at the honest son, Yanina. No, I'm ready. So about the Paul.
Sana catch me.
No, make us say,
Sana catch me.
make us say,
Meduasi.
so I say, come soon, my own bonnet, Kushana Bonti. Make one of Kuno.
Asamba, monkaye, Asamba, vivemo yo. Vivemo no account, Samba, vivemo yo.
I dare have now. So I saw Toko no more, my men can't show. So need my pebidi, and I saw yes and pebbing can't them in the Fianmoko. No more, my papa, me babidi. Men I make a show. Men I make a show.
I won't check what bravo. Fin, no go to me. O Casatabo doing at Tenemeso.
Coina, men I can't say which seven. Me fear no abano.
Me Poma, woman, I won't have no man.
Naminiba, Kay, Miminiba, Abanomano, Miminiba, Obana from a wow. No, come out, Obana.
Asamba, Seba, monkaye, Asamba, vivemo yo.
You see what we are going through? You see, when a child mourns like an adult, he must contribute to the funeral funds. Now, let me tell you one thing. What an adult can see while sitting can never be seen by a child, even if he climbs the tallest tree. Look at you. I hate children who don't listen to advice.
Now
that you are pregnant, what am I going to do?
Manu. My test is obeying him now. Why and you? Why? Why and you have so?
Oh, my son, come back. When you know, I can, what in an auto, if you have for that function. No, Cocobana money. So,
but this is simple. Just tell him to keep it a secret.
Coinina. Bonina.
Amma, tell me, is it true that Mary is pregnant?
Yeah, that is what I've heard, but I don't know how true it is.
It is true. I overheard a penny owner telling my father everything. I heard it with my 2 ears.
Hey! So, who is responsible?
That one, they didn't say it, but they said they're going to deal with her.
Oh, Konedu. May the gods have mercy on her.
Nanso, Koshibura.
Oh, Jawasa. Also, your bag, a bit me at all.
I am penninsem.
I am penninsem. So now, why is that so over?
My son, what do you know about Konedu? Which of the Konedus?
Openyi Sabe's daughter.
Nothing.
She's pregnant and she has named you as the one responsible.
Me?
Are you sure?
That is the truth. I know nothing about her pregnancy. I know nothing about her. I can swear the great oath of the stool. I'm innocent, man.
Odone Tiasia na moda bebam da beni o de bro. Tiasia reche wo. Modani tiasia na moda bebam da beni o de bro. Tiasia reche wo. Aye wo de bro, wo de bro, wo de bro. Wo de bro, tiasia reche wo. Modani tiasia na moda bebam da beni.
Opoku, haven't you seen me?
Afrakuma, my whole world has turned upside down.
Is it true that you have made Claudia pregnant?
Don't shut up, I'll give it to you to shoot. That is not possible. You know I can't see. Then shut up. Should we try? No. The man is a wizard. Let's go, Monsieur. We will think of something another time. Kunadu, me get to me say we nimpefe say, yango bra yenyinsai. Nti ya ni ubedi ne se ne mmra no eti pepepe.
Nana, me pacho. Se ka se yetwe na so, e wonyinsai wanyinsai no ho dia no kro ni ayemfo so kakra. Oni pe ono na ti wi ontu kwan ye musa no 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 anka senkyere ba bi odi nyinsɛn no e di fidi bae
sebe ye ni adagye e di tietia nansesem abofra ni onyim anaso onyim enu ne emra kwan asisi a yegina so
nana ne mpelefo ko yina nan kasa no ompemi ba yasem sebi abofra wati onyemu adati ne yetbi musa no no nan kasa nkyerechirem ne yehu ba bi kura odi nyinsɛn no e di fidi bae nimfom so no
nana se opanyi sebe ase ne ba kwadu wo bibi ka misra wada me man kwa mo nkasa kwadu ka wasem
nana ne mpanyimfo mepa mo cho oto me mona
mona why
poku mama abrefi bei
wujitum wo wadanse
dasini di obi pa obi papa
we die ensuo ni saponi semna ni dwame ehwe produce your evidence
nana me bai onti fa sem mfen to ba ma bi so a woni dasini eni kufo hwe so obo a hwe
wadaroma em se sebe woni bai wo mu di ehwo agro opoku ye nipa bi a obu ade odi mraso ne ho soso dwo ontimi tumo na da
kufo eja se na peso kan
nana wadaro ma dem pesem chene se enye poku na ni akoda enyim minim ni one nenyim dapa pani ko ni mo ba no one nenyim de be ya me frɛ no mra
nana chame kan Fred da pabra sesia
Napa, senam nesia no be kan nanum entam ne abosom se aso be kan todo na be kan no untwan kontom wi a utwan kontom a wani masodi a e ba so
se wa kan no kura so a be kwa akofre konfo no aba no obi hwehwe mu amaye ko pese be hunu mu no kura
Nana, I'll speak the truth I don't want to swear. I'm responsible for the pregnancy.
Oh, you are, Sebe, and that one. Who control no number of us, no banadian, and the Twada one.
Sebe, for condoning with your daughter to lie before this council, you are to be punished. Dapa and your daughter are banished from this village henceforth. Nana, please.
You thought you were encouraging your daughter to enjoy, but rather you were causing her doom.
I hope you will learn from this.
There is no lesson to be learned from this, because he knew the outcome of what he was doing.
We can assemble. We can assemble. And you be a naive. Nina la, if you could fall in the queen. Me daumasi papa. Me daumasi. Me chiamusuka. No more than me. Me chiamusuka.
Leave them alone. I was here when Opening Kufwa came to warn you about Kunedu. But you were behaving like an ostrich. And now, our only daughter is gone.
Manu, it's in your own year, no. O form so. With your machi. One may no, with your machi. Kufo. When you coinina. Me, metchromo pa, metchromo, a momo busumikra, you do so brew. Me.
Mon fantuno sona dia wani mo wadro eno kura bede dio yan me okusia dio ko wa mramane amba wa una mane bongo mon fantuno sona dia wani mo wadro eno kura bede okusia dio ko wa mramane amba wa una mane bongo mon fantuno sona dia wani mo wadro eno kura bede dio ka wa fo wa te sa bo a chere be mon fantuno sona dia wani mo wadro eno kura bede dio wa da pa wo mrama wo de pa wo mon fantuno sona dia wani mo wadro eno kura bede Penny with him and some yena free yameso, or my henny penny with him. Nane, I will me way and so ye penny with him. Penny with him, or my henny penny with him, and some yena free yameso, or my henny penny with him. I will me way and so ye penny with him. Penny with him, or my henny penny with him, and some yena free yameso, or my henny penny with him.